Hello traders. I didn't have much time for our social accounts lately due to the winter holidays coming and so on. But this week an interesting trade or more happened on the British pound US dollar chart. And I've been trading using the Fluid Expert Advisor that, by the way, can be downloaded for free from our RobotFX.ro website. It is a trading expert advisor, a trend trading expert advisor that can trade with the trend, hedge, martingale, and so on. And again, we will find all the settings explained here and the combinations between them. And there are also video tutorials on how to find the settings and that explain how the expert advisor works. Now, in this video, I'm just showing you trading examples, and this week that happened on the GBP USD chart. I'm going to show you only this because I will emphasize also on the Renko trading. And as you can see, I'll show you the settings first, and feel free to pause the video if you want and go to the RobotFX.ro Fluid web page and read about the settings and what they do. So I'm not using the time filters. So those are the default settings. I'm trading 24/7. I was. Okay. I'm not explaining the settings, as I said. Feel free to go to the website and learn what the settings, and learn what the expert advisor can do with these settings. I was trying to hedge recovery zone. Hopefully it wasn't needed because the trades went in my favor, and this is it. These are the settings. This was the signal entry, the black-white moving average on the chart following the price. And this is it. So there is this trade that happens, and by the way, the trend now is it's an uptrend according to the color that we see, but it was a downtrend when this happened. So there was this sell happening right here, 20 pips, another one right here when the signal moving average changed the color. The non-lag moving average changed the color from white into black and vice versa. And that's this one. Second one scored 11, 12 pips. And this one that almost closed at break even, 2 pips. Why I'm showing you this, excuse me, is because looking at this spike, this would have been a much better trade on the Renko chart. And I'm going to show you right now. However, I was trading candles and I didn't catch this big move, big wave. I didn't ride that wave. Instead, I took only 12 pips. So that trade opened at, as you can see down the date, on 9 on 8 at 9 o'clock. So if we move to the Renko chart, it looks like this. I'm going to zoom a little. It should be right here. Renko chart, by the way, you probably know that are price based, not time based candles. So this trade, if I was trading on the Renko chart, would have opened right here after the Renko's first candle changed color from green or teal into red. So it would have opened right here and it would have closed right here when the candles change the color again. We're following the non-lag moving average color change that is set, by the way, to coincide with the Renko bricks, and that is set to 9 or 7 if I remember well. That is or 12. That is set to 12. So if you are trading with the using the RobotFX fluid on the anchor bricks, you have to set this to a smaller number. I think 9 it's also suitable. On my chart, 12 was enough. So if I was trading on the Renko chart, I could have scored 50 pips, somewhere around 50 pips there. However, hedging right here. However, I was not, so that's why I scored only 12. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something from it and find it useful. Goodbye.